Alright everyone, I finally finished it and it will hot start. I'm going to show you what I did. Started way too, got on my truck way too low. Okay, there's a new starter. I still have to put the guard on. Oh, it's hot, just came back from work. So, new starter, probably didn't need it, but I will never know. So anyway, there's this SIKKY high torque starter. And what I did is, instead of getting new cable, I took the battery connection, and previously it came up right without touching the freaking headers. It came right in here, so it touched the header. That's very hot. So instead of getting a new cable, I couldn't really find a heat shield. Kind of disappointing, but what are you gonna do? So I took this battery cable, flipped it up over under the frame rail, and ran it that way, away from the headers. Now, in order to do that, let me scoot back out. Let me show you that just one more time. I still have to wrap those transcooler lines, but right now, the transmission isn't getting over 189, which is just fine, but that battery cable is very short. So what I did, it was just short. It's still a little short, but it fits. What I did, very simple. Well, it might not be that simple if your battery is over here still, but the guy that I bought the truck from, I don't know if this is the stock location. This is where it is now. I flipped the battery. The positive was here, the negative was there. And when I rerouted the cable, there was no way that the positive was going to make it. I mean, it was over here, and I couldn't stretch it any further. So I flipped the battery, took that bracket out to do it, flipped the battery, and yanked on it to connect to this, the positive side there. So if anybody's having hot start issues, that's an easy way to do it. If you want to do that before you replace the starter and see if that helps. Now, I think there's still a small hot crank fuel issue, because every once in a while, if it's been running for a while, I still got to feather the throttle in when I start it. And when I do that, it starts right up, runs perfect. So I'll mess with the tune. Mail order tunes will probably freak out hearing that, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to show you what they did in the tune file, because it's not my tune file, and I want to respect mail order tune and their craft, so I'm not going to show you what they did, because I didn't do it myself. But I will mess with the crank fueling myself, and I might show you that if I remember, which I'll probably end up doing this weekend. But that's it. That fixed it. So my device is getting extremely hot because it's like 100 degrees out right now. I put all my stickers on. They are kind of old and beat up by this point, and they're not, as you can tell, put on expertly, so they're all kind of crooked. I am gonna order a sloppy mechanic sticker. It's because he is my inspiration for this. So yeah, that's all I got. Oh, and I did cook that brisket, and I forgot to record any of it, so nobody gets to see. Next time I do it again, I will actually record it this time. Okay, that's it.